Ginger is an amazing spice celebrated for its anti-inflammatory, antiparasitic, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It's a natural medicine that has earned its place as a true superfood. Packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals, ginger offers tremendous health benefits. From boosting immunity to enhancing cardiovascular health, it's a versatile addition to any diet. Ginger's active compound, gingerol, is especially beneficial for fighting inflammation-related conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. However, while it's an incredible health booster for most, certain individuals should avoid consuming ginger as it may cause adverse effects. If you belong to any of the following groups, consuming ginger could do more harm than good. 1. Underweight individuals. Ginger promotes weight loss by increasing stomach pH, stimulating digestive enzymes, and aiding in efficient food digestion. While this is beneficial for individuals with obesity or diabetes, those who are underweight or have a low body mass index, BMI, may experience harmful effects. These include appetite suppression, muscle loss, menstrual irregularities, hair thinning, and vitamin deficiencies. 2. Pregnant women. Although ginger is often used to ease morning sickness in early pregnancy, it contains powerful stimulants that may trigger uterine contractions. This could increase the risk of preterm labor, particularly in the later stages of pregnancy. Pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before consuming ginger, especially during the second and third trimesters. 3. Individuals with blood disorders, people with hemophilia, a rare genetic condition that affects blood clotting, should avoid ginger. While ginger improves blood circulation and benefits many conditions, it can overstimulate blood flow in hemophiliacs, potentially leading to severe or life-threatening hemorrhaging. 4. Those taking certain medications. Ginger can interfere with how certain medications work in the body. If you take beta blockers, anticoagulants, or insulin for conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, consuming ginger may cause dangerous interactions. These interactions could affect blood pressure, blood sugar levels, or clotting ability. Final thoughts. While ginger offers countless health benefits, it's essential to consider your unique health circumstances before adding it to your diet. If you fall into one of the above categories, consult your healthcare provider to determine if ginger is safe for you.